Clay soil is made of very small particles. These particles pack tightly together, making the soil dense and heavy. While clay soil is rich in nutrients, its denseness makes it difficult for air and water to move through. This can pose challenges for gardeners. Imagine trying to water a tightly packed container of flour. The water would struggle to penetrate and might just pool on top. Similarly, clay soil can become easily waterlogged, leading to root rot in plants. On the other hand, during dry periods, clay soil can become rock hard, making it difficult for roots to penetrate and absorb water. These factors make understanding clay soil crucial for successful gardening. Gardeners often face several challenges when working with clay soil. Due to poor drainage, the soil stays wet for extended periods, leading to root rot in plants. Roots need oxygen to breathe, and waterlogged soil deprives them of this vital element. Compaction is another major issue. The dense nature of clay soil makes it prone to compaction, especially when walked on or worked with heavy machinery. Compacted clay soil further restricts root growth and water infiltration. Moreover, the slow warming of clay soil in spring can delay planting and impact plant growth. This can shorten the growing season for gardeners in cooler climates. While clay soil presents challenges, simple solutions can significantly improve its structure and drainage. A primary method is amending the soil with organic matter like compost, aged manure or leaf mold. These materials break down the dense structure of clay, improving drainage and aeration. Adding coarse sand can also enhance drainage, but it's crucial to use the right type of sand. Sharp, angular sand, like builder's sand, is most effective. Avoid using fine sand as it can worsen drainage problems. When working with clay soil, it's best to avoid heavy tilling, especially when wet, as this can further compact the soil. Instead, opt for minimal tillage practices or raised beds to improve drainage. Choosing the right plants can make all the difference in a clay soil garden. Many plants have adapted to thrive in clay conditions. For instance, perennials like bearded iris, coneflowers and hostas tolerate clay soil well. When it comes to vegetables, consider planting crops like beans, broccoli and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables are known to tolerate and even flourish in heavier soils. Fruit trees like apple and pear trees with their deep root systems can also adapt well to clay soils. By selecting plants suited for clay conditions, gardeners can enjoy a bountiful harvest. Remember, gardening in clay soil can be challenging but is ultimately rewarding. With patience, the right techniques, and a bit of love, your clay soil garden can flourish.